Judy Ann here from justtoday.com, and today I'm going to be showing you and expanding your mind on how to make cranberry margarita over ice. Let's hit the kitchen. Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? First things first, here's the list of ingredients. 2 ounces of cranberry juice, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1.5 ounces of tequila, ½ ounce of triple sec, and 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. First, ice. 2 ounces of cranberry juice, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1.5 ounce of tequila of choice. Now I'm friends with Jose Cuervo, hopefully he's your friend too. ½ ounce of triple sec, 1/4, or if you like things sweet, then ½ ounce of simple syrup. Now if you're curious to see how we made this simple syrup at home, it's really simple to do like it says. Definitely check out the link in the description down below and or the iCard in the corner of the screen. Give it a stir. Real quick, definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could be an eater too, and definitely share out this recipe because it's so easy they can make it too. Alright my eaters, if you've gotten to this point of the video, I really appreciate you because that means you're watching the whole entire video. Oh my goodness, thank you so much my eater. Definitely hit the like button because it helps out the channel, and definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you get notifications whenever we upload another video. But hey, that's how you make the cranberry margarita. I told you it's really simple. You don't even need a shaker. Anyway, this is a hashtag drink tips with some of my awesome YouTube friends. And so definitely hit the hashtag drink tips because my awesome foodie friends of mine that are Chef Adventures, Ryan's G, Bbq and Stuff, RobbieP2 Vlogs, Jaime Mac, and CookClassy have participated in drink tips. And so definitely check out their videos. Yeah, they made drinks too. I'm hoping that this video was very helpful and informative because I'm all about expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. And yeah, definitely comment down below to let me know if you did that by hitting the red subscribe button and the bell, and that you're a proud subscriber. And at the same time, comment and let me know if you liked this video. And or if you shared it out with a family and friend because they might need it. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching, and here's a shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Stay tuned. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. Always expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. I'll see you in the next video. Sometimes it's just so simple you need it over the holidays. Something real quick and you know what I mean. See you in the next video.